LinkedIn, path for career success. In a world where connections mean everything, one platform has transformed the way professionals network and achieve success. Get ready to be inspired by the incredible LinkedIn success story of Sarah Johnson. Hi, I'm Sarah Johnson. Join me on a journey as we explore how LinkedIn became the game changer in my career. Sarah was a recent graduate, eager to make her mark in the professional world. She recognized the power of LinkedIn and decided to create her profile. Sarah optimizing her LinkedIn profile, adding a professional headshot, and crafting her compelling summary. With a clear vision of her career goals, Sarah meticulously crafted her LinkedIn profile to showcase her skills and aspirations. Sarah understood the importance of networking. She reached out to professionals in her industry, engaging in meaningful conversations and expanding her network. Sarah didn't stop at online networking. She attended industry events and made genuine connections with professionals face-to-face. And then, one day, an exciting opportunity presented itself. Sarah Johnson. LinkedIn notified me about a job opening that aligned perfectly with my skills and interests. I knew I had to take a chance. Sarah preparing for a job interview and researching the company on LinkedIn. Sarah leveraged LinkedIn to research the company, gain insights, and prepare for the interview. Thanks to her preparation and networking efforts, Sarah aced the interview and landed her dream job. Sarah Johnson. Today, I'm living my dream, thanks to LinkedIn. It opened doors I never thought possible. Sarah's success story is a testament to the power of LinkedIn. It's not just a platform, it's a gateway to professional opportunities and meaningful connections. Sarah Johnson. So, what are you waiting for? Harness the potential of LinkedIn, connect with industry leaders, and unlock your own success story. Remember, your LinkedIn success story starts now. Thanks for watching.